welcome back to another video. I'm actually heading to the exhaust shop right now. My buddy with his M2 is going to get a full FI exhaust. My other buddy with the 340i is going to do the same setup I have with the gutted muffler, full straight pipe on the mid pipe and the catalyst down pipe. So we're just heading there right now. I'm not going to make this intro too long. Let's get to it. I seriously can't stand all the traffic in LA. It's like everyone always wants to move here. They're like, do you really? Look at this. It's like this every day. I always tell myself I want to upgrade my turbos, I want to do all this, but for what? Just to sit in traffic? I mean, I can't take it to the track, but you know, it's definitely not practical.
Three hours later.
Keep these tips or no?
I'm gonna keep those.
Yeah.
But
All because the way those are is like it's one those are actual slip-ons.
Yeah.
So, these are badass. Oh yeah, you can sell like a M2 muffler just ready to go. Yeah. So the down pipes here. This will be the only time to hear your car full straight, bro. Even though it sounds nice, our personally
3 hours later.
First startup. So we just finished doing the full exhaust install on his car. Sam!
forward.
Yeah, now we're gonna do the catalyst down pipe gutted muffler on his car.
And my friend swear it loses his virginity. Spoiler, guys.
Oh my god, bro. It's bigger than me. Fucking huge, bro.
It just sounds different now. Like,
Yeah, it does. Is it gonna start it? It's not gonna be as loud for sure.
No, but it sounds fucking good. It definitely toned the...
Oh my god, it's like super. Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
That's not super hot, but can't believe we're going fast.
Let's do it. Get rid of this.
Hours later.
Rev it.
Hours later.
Hey guys, it's day 2. We're gonna be installing the Seibon hood on Abraham's F30. Right now he's a stock hood, but he's gonna be doing the same style I have on my wet body. It's gonna be fucking sick. Yeah. Just loosen these two. We're gonna loosen this one. There you go. That one's good enough.
You don't even need to take them off.
No. Well, you have to take this one off. The back ones, you gotta take those off. But these ones, no, because it just slides right up. Yeah. Put your fingers on the fit.
Huh?
There you go. Just push it. Now push it forward. Now pull forward. Once those little things are, you can pull forward. Yeah. Loosen the. I think this side needs to be loosened a little more. Yeah. Alright, should be good. There you go. There it is. There's N20 engine. Just kidding. So yeah guys, it's pretty simple. I'm not gonna go through how to take the hood off. I've actually made a video on that, so just watch that one. But now we're just gonna put the hood on now, take it out of the box. Let's get it. Let's open it. It's like Christmas or what? Christmas time.
Hell, look at that stock.
Dude. B58 King. Dude, I really need a new intake. I'm just gonna order this one. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Finally! Finally, bro! You're making big moves. Uh-oh, here it goes.
Ready?
Full carbon hood. I'll get you guys the bolts. It's 2 each. It's super simple how to do the hood install.
Yeah.
It's like really simple. It's just like
I think I'll
so we just finished installing the hood. If any of you guys bought the aftermarket Seibon hood, you guys will notice that there'll be some slight gaps on the sides, probably in the front and up here too. So what we did is we adjusted it as best as we can. Loosened all the bolts on the bumper and we pushed it forward. So now we're gonna see how it sits, and this is probably the best we're gonna get it. Dude, it looks perfect. Oh, it looks really good in the front too. Damn, we just need to shine it up. They're gonna spray that stuff on there. We also got this new Mother's ABCD XP X35 spray. Just kidding. I don't know what it's called. He's gonna pull it out right now. Looks so sick. Where's the spray? Let me see. What's it called?
CMX.
CMX. Mother's ceramic spray. So I guess it's ceramic coating in a spray bottle. It's pretty easy. So we're gonna make sure we got this little light dust off, and we're pretty much gonna ceramic coat his hood right now, so you guys can get the full view. This looks so good now. Oh my god, bro, this angle looks hard. You need to get like some up top shots of your car. Looks wet. Damn, it sprays out a lot, dude.
Chemical, yeah.
Yeah, it smells like chemicals for sure. So if you guys buy this spray, it leaves like a residue, pretty much just like real ceramic coating. You let it dry for like 10 minutes, and then you guys could just wipe it right off. It definitely probably will enhance the shine too, huh?
Fuck yeah.
Enhance the shine, protect it, make it easier to wash your car. Just double it up, huh? We're gonna do a water beading test. Let's see if it. Let's put it somewhere where it slants. I mean, just for fair.
Right?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh wow, dude. Just falls off. Dude, it just makes everything like turn into little beads. Halo beads? Yeah, it's gonna blow right off. Yeah. Also, yesterday I didn't really show you guys, but he got big ass new carbon fiber tips. It's pretty fucking big. It can fit my whole fist. Definitely need to get these. Also, guys, in the side skirts video, you guys were saying why do we install them backwards? I don't think you guys realized that on the F30, we actually installed them normal. So the winglet is in the back. Just on the M2, it's in the front. So it looks normal, guys. So you guys can see how it sits. So I kept getting a lot of comments like, why is it like that? But no, guys, this one is in the rear. Again, the M2 is in the front. Just wanted to address that real quick.